Alright, so we got the info as the Kuta beach is open today officially, so we will go to check this out, right Sam?
Yeah, let's see how it is.
Alright, so as you saw before, to enter to the mall, this is the Beach Walk Mall, you have to scan the QR code and
Then you have to do a thermal scanner in the mall.
Yeah.
And they check everything, they check your bags and everything.
So scary, isn't it?
But that's really good, you know, this is how the new normal will be like.
So we are walking on the street and the gates to the beach, like here, they are still closed, but the main entrance to the Kuta beach is open, and we are walking over there, and we will see how it is there, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, you can see behind me over there all the line of the cars. They normally is illegal to park like this on this road, but because almost everything is closed around, still the restaurants and the hotels and everything, so I think they are just park.
Alright, so the beach is actually open, but only this big entrance. This one is the main entrance to the Kuta beach, and it's open for public. And you see that many people are going to the beach. You see, even with their bike, they jump on. Let's see how it is inside now.
So as you can see, the beach is like this. Some people are here. Over there is the Discovery Mall, and in this way is the beach walk. Not so many people. The shops, all the warungs, like you can always buy the beer or Coke or something, it's closed.
And the surfers also closed. There are not many people surfing actually.
Actually, yeah, not many surfers. Yeah, this is just the first day of the opening, so
agar segera dipindahkan ke tempat kantong-kantong parkir yang disediakan.
Alright, so as you can see, this is the Kuta beach and how this is the situation, how it is. Some people are here and yeah.
Yes, as it's the reopening of Kuta Beach, you see that quite many people coming here. As you know, Kuta Beach is famous for surfing spot and it's sunset. Later on, we will see the time lapse of sunset in Kuta Beach. Yeah.
And like always, thank you so much for watching. Probably that will be enough for today's vlog. Please like, comment, share, and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
You've heard so many stories, but now you know that all you